everyone, welcome back to my channel. Donna Parsons here, and today I'm going to be sharing with you one of the lessons from my new series called Skill Set Instruction Series Excel Level 1. This book is a step-by-step guide, so if you've never used Excel, you want to tune into this lesson because I'm going to begin to show you how easy this book is. And if you'd like, at the end of this lesson, if you want to learn more about when this book is going to be available, please go to my website and all the details will be there for you. So let me show you a little bit about what this is. It is a step-by-step with a guide, instructions, and a picture, a photo for everything that you need to know to begin to learn Excel. So I'm excited to show you this lesson. So let's open up Excel and let's begin.